Hello dear students, welcome to the English session. In today's session, we are going to discuss some practice questions related to Maria Sharapova. Who was Maria Sharapova? She was a Russian girl. She reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18 years old. Let us see the first question. Why did Sharapova leave Siberia for the US? She went to US to get trained in tennis, and her father, Yuri, he accompanied Maria to US. At that time, her mother, Yelena, she could not go with her because of the visa restrictions. So at this young age, she had to endure this sacrifice, all because she wanted to pursue her dreams. Let us see the next question. At the age of 9 years, what lesson had Maria Sharapova learned? In US, Maria Sharapova had to face a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother because her mother could not go with her. This was the sacrifice that she had to make, and at the same time, she learned a lesson that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Let's see the third question. How did Maria's co-trainees at the tennis academy trouble her? How did Maria cope with this? So if we talk about the age difference between Maria and her co-trainees, they were quite older than her. She was a young girl, and they used to return to the room at around 11 p.m. At that time, Maria was already asleep. They were so inconsiderate कि वो उसे उठाते थे और कहते थे कि she should tidy up the room. और ये बहुत ही disturbing situation थी मारिया के लिए. फिर भी हम अपने second question पे आते हैं. How did Maria cope with this? Now, she coped with this trouble by not allowing it to depress her. She strengthened her determination and her mental toughness. Let's see the next question. What does Maria Sharapova say about her Russian nationality? हम सबको पता है कि मारिया बहुत छोटी थी जब वो यूएस चली गई. This is the reason that she speaks with a pronounced American accent. However, she proudly parades her nationality, and that is being a Russian. She also says that her blood is totally Russian. She is a Russian citizen. She will play the Olympics for her country if her country wants her to. Let's move to the next question. How was Maria different from other children? दूसरे बच्चों से मारिया कैसे अलग थी? So as compared to the children of her age, Maria was calmer. She was more composed, she was more confident, and she was much more tolerant. उनकी सहन शक्ति कमाल थी. Her inner strength that enabled her to endure the sacrifice that very few children could think of facing. She did not let the hardships and adverse circumstances stop her from moving ahead. तो उनकी इनर स्ट्रेंथ, उनकी विल पावर, उनकी मेंटल टफनेस, ये सब क्वालिटीज थी जो उन्हें बाकी बच्चों से अलग करती थी. Let's move to the next question. Maria's father accompanied her to the US, but why could he also not see her during her stay there? Maria's father, Yuri, had accompanied his 9-year-old daughter to the US to get her trained in tennis. But to pay for her training, he had to work really hard so that he could earn money. This is the reason he could not spend much time with Maria. His work occupied most of his time and he could not see Maria often. Let's move to the next question. What mental qualities of Maria are revealed by her decision not to quit and pack up on being harassed by her fellow trainees? अभी हमने पढ़ा कि उनके जो फेलो ट्रेनीज थे वो मारिया से एज में काफ़ी बड़े थे, फिर भी मारिया वहीं सस्टेन रही। उन्होंने वो सब फेस किया और आगे बढ़ती चली गई। तो ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटीज थी मारिया में जिसकी वजह से वो डटी रही? The torment and humiliation inflicted on Maria by her fellow trainees failed to demoralize her. उन पे बहुत अत्याचार हुए, उन्हें तंग किया गया, बट वो बिल्कुल भी डिमोरलाइज नहीं हुई। इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? That she has a firm determination and she is strong-willed. She was much more mature than other girls of her age and she knew the art of survival. और यहाँ art of survival का मतलब क्या हुआ? हार ना मानना, आगे बढ़ते चले जाना। Let us see the next question. Why does Maria call the US a big part of her life? मारिया ने अपनी बहुत सारी जिंदगी यूएस में बिताई। बहुत छोटी एज में वो यूएस चली गई। वहीं पर शी गॉट ट्रेन्ड फॉर टेनिस। इसी कंट्री में शी बिकेम proficient in the game. While her stay in US, she developed confidence, control, inner strength, endurance. और यही सब क्वालिटीज चाहिए होती हैं किसी भी स्पोर्ट्समैन को टॉप पे पहुंचने के लिए। That is the reason she calls the US a big part of her life. The next question is, besides tennis, what else is Maria fond of? There is no doubt that tennis is Maria's first love. But और young girls की तरह मारिया को भी फैशन, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग इन सब में दिलचस्पी है। She is very fond of reading and she reads Arthur Conan Doyle's novels. She is also fond of dressing up in sophisticated evening gowns. She enjoys eating pancakes with chocolate spread and frizzy orange drinks. Let us talk about the last question. Why does Maria call tennis business and a sport? Tennis एक स्पोर्ट होने के साथ साथ बिजनेस भी है, ऐसा क्यों कहती है मारिया? टेनिस इज अ कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पोर्ट। जैसे बाकी स्पोर्ट्स हैं, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, ऐसे ही टेनिस भी एक बहुत ही कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पोर्ट है। दिस रिक्वायर्स स्टेमिना, ट्रेनिंग, प्लानिंग एंड स्ट्रेटेजाइजिंग, एंड इट इज ऑल अबाउट विनिंग और लूजिंग। एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस, क्योंकि टेनिस भी प्रोफेशनली खेला जाता है। इसमें बहुत सारा पैसा इन्वॉल्व होता है। बहुत सारी कंपनीज इस गेम को स्पॉन्सर करती हैं, जैसे कि मीडिया, ड्रिंक्स, क्लोथ्स, स्पोर्ट्स कंपनीज। With this we come to the end of today's session. Like always, I am going to leave you with a task. हमने बात की संतोष यादव के बारे में, हमने बात की मारिया शारापोवा के बारे में। दोनों की ही जिंदगी से हमने सीखा कि डिटर्मिनेशन और कंसिस्टेंट हार्ड वर्क बहुत ज़रूरी है अगर हम सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं। So the task for this particular session would be that you should identify the points of comparison and contrast in the lives of these two great players. I end this session here. See you in the next session. Take care.